Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to sell Shiba Inu coin in Binance. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. To start, search for how to sell Shiba Inu coin in Binance. And then it will direct you here. Now we want to scroll down and then select this option. How to buy Shiba Inu SHIB guide. So just click on that. And then next, you can see right here the step-by-step process. So the first thing that you want to do is to create a free account on the Binance website or the app. And then it says here that we need to choose how you want to buy the Shiba Inu coin. You can do it by your credit card or debit card, or in P2P trading. And then check the payment details and fees. And then lastly, store or use your Shiba Inu in Binance. It's just simple and easy. Try it out. If you have a question or suggestion regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.